sound of silence is louder when you're standing on the edge of death. I know I stayed quiet when I should have said everything that mattered. I tell myself it was good to say those words, even if they never reached your ears. I rushed things, didn't really think my actions through. All that's left now is emptiness and worries. There's no pain greater than failing and watching your whole life passing by, and realizing all those dreams you had as a child will never come true. Life is unfair, yeah. The ones doing wrong out there, who would have thought they'd not suffer? And look at me now, I'm going away to a place where there's no more torment. 'Cause the best part of death is the forgetting. It was wrong not to value myself when I should have, caring too much about others when they didn't deserve it. I talk to myself, and all that's left now is this emptiness inside my chest. There's nothing left to do, there's no way to go back. Everything that happened can't be undone. There's no pain greater than failing and watching your whole life passing by, and realizing all those dreams you had as a child will never come true. Life is unfair, yeah. The ones doing wrong out there, who would have thought they'd not suffer? And look at me now, I'm going away to a place where there's no more torment. 'Cause the best part of death is the forgetting. Is it life? Is it death? Guess this is my fate. Nothing can hurt me here. That's the best part